I mean, that was expected, to be honest. That was kind of expected. I died in 98 on every other run I did from that every other start position. Yeah, there's. Oh wait, no. Oh wait, yeah, there is 86 to 98. 81 to 98. 79 to. No, wait, what was that start position? 74 to 98. 69 to 98. Yeah, this was expected. Oh, we're getting closer.
I was happy in the haze of a drunken hour, but heaven knows I'm miserable now. I was looking for a job, but then I found a job, and heaven knows I'm miserable now in my life.
Yo, so I'm like editing right now. I low-key just kind of kind of like drag the entire folder into the thing. I think my laptop crashed. You know, hopefully it isn't gone. I don't want to find this clip again. I recorded for way too long today. I'll see you.
This is not good. I think this is the end.
Yeah, I think this is the end, bro. I think we're dead.
My name is Andrew Dingus.
Oh, shitting.